How to use your Cap and Press Core Series 100 hole capsule filling machine. Step 1. We're going to separate about 130 capsule bodies and caps from each other, putting them in different bowls. Now remember, if you have pre-separated capsules like our Vegan Playland separated capsules, you don't have to do this step because they come already separated. Step 2. Place the body plate onto the flat surface in front of you and place the frame plate on top of it. Step 3. Pour the capsule bodies into the frame plate. Now I like to hold my hand over the little area that the capsules can fall through right here on the left while I'm pouring. Step 4. Hold together and shake both plates gently so all the pieces fall in facing up. You can tell they're facing up because the open side will be upwards. Once you're done, pour off the remaining capsule bodies, and then you're going to remove the frame plate. So now we're going to check to make sure that all the holes have been filled. You just want to press down and look to see, and if any are not filled, just take an extra capsule and place it in there upwards by hand. Once we've made sure that all the holes are filled, we're going to check to see if any have fallen in upside down. If so, we're going to use what's called our quick flip tip to pull them out and flip them back over. You take another capsule body, you press it onto the upside down piece and pull it out. This will let you take out the piece without harming the capsule and then put it back in the right side up very quickly. Step 5. We're going to set aside the body plate. We're going to find the capping plate and set that in front of us and then put the frame plate on top. Step 6, we're going to pour the capsule caps this time into the frame plate. I like to try to spread them out evenly as I pour because it makes the whole thing go faster. Step 7, pick up both the capping plate and frame plate and hold them together. Gently shake them back and forth so all the capsule caps fall into the holes facing upward. Now we're going to pour off any remaining capsule caps and then set the frame and capping plate down and remove the frame plate. Again, we're going to use our quick flip tip to check to see if any have fallen in upside down. If so, this time we're going to use a capsule cap piece and do the same thing we did with the bodies. Press the capsule cap onto the back of the upside down fallen piece and then pull it out and put it back in right side up. As you can see, you can actually do this all in one long row, which is what I like to do as it goes a little quicker. Step 8. Now we're going to place the middle plate onto the capping plate, making sure that the indentations are facing upward. Step 9. Set aside the loaded capping and middle plates and then go back to the body plate and place the powder guard on top. Step 10. We're going to pour our powdered ingredients across the body plate and into the capsule bodies. We're going to do this carefully, making sure not to spill too much powder if we can help it. Then we're going to use our powder spreader to evenly distribute the powder across each capsule. One useful hack is putting a steel baking sheet underneath your cap and press as you do this, just to catch any fallen powder. Basically, you just want to make sure that powder has gone into every capsule before you move on to the next step. Step 11. We're going to use the tamper to pack down the powder in each capsule. And so press it down, firmly packing it. And then as you pull it out, I like to shake slightly and then also tap off any excess powder. Step 12. We're going to add more powder and spread it into the capsule bodies once again, filling the new space made after using the tamper. Then we're just going to repeat this process of tamping, adding powder, and spreading more powder into each capsule until all the capsules are fully packed and you can't tamp them anymore. Step 13. Once all the capsules are firmly packed, we're going to remove the powder guard and any excess powder on top. Step 14. Go back and grab your capping and middle plates, and while holding them together, flip them over onto the body plate. Step 15. We're going to apply a light downward pressure to each edge until we feel that all the capsules have joined together. We can tell because the machine freely slides up and down. Step 16. Now, once all the capsules have been joined, we can press down firmly all around the cap and press capsule filling machine. Step 17. Hold together and flip over just the capping and middle plates. Now we're going to set it down and use our finger to press down on a few of the capsules to confirm that they're all fully locked. If you notice any are not fully locked, then we're just going to grab the frame plate and we're going to use its edge to press in 10 to 20 capsules at a time. You don't want to press too hard because you can crunch in the bottom of the capsule if you're not careful. Once all the capsules are locked, we're going to once again hold together and flip over the capping and middle plates with the capsules inside and put it back onto the body plate. Step 18. Separate the capping and middle plates and you can pour out your now finished capsules. Now you can just pour off your capsules into a steel baking sheet or even your box and shake them up to get off any excess powder. Now that you're done making capsules, watch this video to learn how to take multiple grams of powder using the sample of Blate Papes you received with your cap and press.